Hello, good evening. Welcome to my channel. In the last video on this, we stopped at using the reverse method in lace, and also we're trying to see how we can use the key parameter in the sort method of lace. I will start from the key parameter of the sort method of lace. Then I'll also do that of the reverse, and I'll do one other thing using delete keyword in deleting an item from a list. So let's get started. Let's assume that what we have here is a collection of points, and as you can see, we have the variable, which is a list. The variable points is a list, but it is a collection of tuple. You can see this type. You can verify by using type points. You have it as list, but in a situation where you use type points, maybe an index in it, you get it as tuple. So it is a collection of, it's a list of tuple. Let me just put it this way, it's a list of tuple. Now, if we use, remember I told you you can use sort or sorted. Sort, if you use list.sort and points dot sort, it automatically changes the arrangement, the data structure, it sorts it permanently. But when you sorted, it's just a temporary sorting, not a permanent sorting. So the items in the variable that you use sorted will not change. It will not change, but you just display the sorted list temporarily. So to be on the safe side, I'll create a copy of the points, which are called points underscore copy. I'll work with that. It goes to points dot copy. I do this. So I have my points underscore copy, and gives me exactly those points. So if I do sorted points underscore copy, that's what I'm sorting, the variable I'm sorting. Then the next is to use the key. Now in using key must be a function. It must be a function. If I do this, it gives me it returns the list using a sorted list using the first items in the tuple for sorting. But in this situation, I don't want to use the first item in the tuple for sorting. I can use the second item. I can use the second item. So I will show you two ways. One is to use the inbuilt function that is called lambda, to use a lambda function. So in this situation, I'll have this way. Then I'll have my key is equal to lambda x returns what x, second parameter of x, the second item in x. So I'm telling you that x is a function which returns the second item in x, and what will happen, use that second item to sort the list. When I have this, you see it's sorted using the second item in the tuple, the second item in the tuple. If you don't use the lambda function, you can actually do something like def sort second, uh, use second, use sec. Let me use sec. It takes a parameter called x or anything. Let me say list, anything. Um, let me say I x. Let me just use x. No, let me use a so that you won't confuse. Then what should it return? It should return a second value of a. So in this situation, I can use sorted, then my key will be what? Use, sorry, use sec. Okay, sorry, not done this. I did not end the function. Sorry, I was in a haze. Then my key, we use sec. So we have same thing, we're on the same page. So you can use the key either using the lambda function, or you can build a function of your own and do that. That is for using key, the key argument, the key parameter in sort. Now the reverse, how does the reverse work? We still have our points underscore copy is still the way it is. We did not change it. Now, if I want to reverse this, what will I do? I'll just say I'll use points underscore copy dot reverse. I use point underscore copy dot reverse. Then in a situation like this, it will reverse it. Then what will I do next? I'll just print my points underscore copy. See, it has reversed it. Just change everything. Changes everything. Okay, that's good and fine. We've done the reverse and we've done the key using the key parameter of the sort. Next, I want to show you something. If you can actually, I told you yesterday, you can actually delete from your list by using either pop or remove. Pop works with the index. I will pop the index 2, that is what 7,3, the tuple 7,3. So pops it out and I return my point. I'll see that is missing. So alternatively, I can use my point dot remove. But what does this do? This works with the value. So I want to remove 1,4. So it is 1,4 and it goes. So when you check that, you see that point 1,4 is not there again. Now, another way to remove from a list using the index is the keyword, using the keyword del. When you use del, you supply what you want to delete, which is copy, but you are not deleting the list. If you do this without the index position, you are actually deleting the list. So I'm removing the index position 3. Index position 3 is 0, 1, 2, 3, which is 2,5. And I have my copy, 2,5 is out. But if I do del without this slicing, del that, del this without slicing, it actually deletes the list entirely. Items say I have nothing. So thank you very much for your time watching this video. Uh, Please comment, feel free to comment, react to our videos, and you can drop a message, you can contact us. Thank you very much. Do have a nice day. Bye bye.